Are you confused on how to add the aroma of essential oils to your home? Let's make this potpourri bark so you can scent your home using only natural ingredients. With these recipes, you'll learn how to scent your home naturally using essential oils in all kinds of new ways. Hi, I'm Katie Veldkamp, co-founder of Simply Earth and certified aromatherapist, and I love teaching people how to use essential oils. Turn off distractions, making is healing. Get ready to get started. For my recipe box, I'm first going to find my recipe card. I'm going to grab clove essential oil, peppermint essential oil, and a star essential oil, and Simply Earth Fit Blend. From my big bonus box, I need beeswax and coconut oil. And for my home, I'm going to be using some dried rose petals. You could also use spices, other dried flowers, or something else to decorate this bark with. You don't have to do this, but it definitely jazzes it up. Also from your home, you'll want a small silicone mold, something like one of these. And if you're using a pan, you'll pour the recipe onto the pan instead of the silicone mold that I am using. Let's get started. I'm gonna start out by melting my coconut oil and beeswax together. I've got 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of beeswax as well. So I'm gonna go melt this. You can either melt it in the microwave using short intervals. You don't wanna get this too hot. Otherwise, when you add your essential oils, they'll immediately evaporate. Or you can do this in a double boiler. To my melted beeswax and coconut oil, I'm going to add 10 drops of clove, 10 drops of peppermint, 5 drops of anise star, and 20 drops of fit. And I'm going to stir in the essential oils so that they are fully diluted. Then pour this into my molds. And now I can add my rose petals. Some of these rose petals are gonna sink into the wax. I'm okay with that. Some will float on top. These are mostly floating on top. If you don't want them to sink into the wax, it will make them harder to see once they've sunk into the wax. You can let the wax totally harden, melt just the surface of the wax using a heat gun, blow dryer, or a lighter, something like that, and then put in your little spices or flower petals, and then allow it to totally cool again. This is a great way to incorporate pressed flowers or other fun things you might have at home. Once they have totally cooled, you can remove them from the mold. Here's what the heart one looks like, super cute. And here is this one. I'm gonna take it out carefully because it's got a little spot where you could hang it if you wanted. Ooh, okay. So if I wanted, I could hang this one up as like a little room freshener. I wouldn't want to leave this like in my car because it will melt if it gets really hot. And it smells good, and it's a cute way to make your own potpourri. So if you've got a potpourri mix or something like that, or want to make your own potpourri, you can add these to them to help scent your potpourri and be beautiful. You can make this. You're gonna love how this natural potpourri bark scents your home and looks so cute. I love to see your creations, so when you make this, share it on social media and tag From Simply Earth with hashtag I made this. The Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box makes it super easy to make your own natural products. Go make it.